I wasn't the one who was sucking out Britany tongue.
I never pretend or act
I wasn't the one
for
who
gift.
said drunk Brit.
One time.
I'm gonna push my tongue in her
One
mouth.
time. You know how you vex, boy? You vex say you never get the popularity from Britney. You vex and somebody else get it. You vex, you know. You feel like you know vex about it. Up to today, they cut up about it, you know. Because you the one be the popular one. You never want such man forget it. What talk about me suck out Britney tongue? Una talk about what you see. Una never see when the girl arm me through the car window. Don't just, whosoever do the video, just splice out where them want splice out and put up the part when me and her kiss. Nobody see when she arm me through the window. Only the people them did dead. So when me I walk past and she arm me through the window, I suck on me end up in the car. Only not see that. Point blank. Alright, done. You see me? You talk about through me here, say Britney, I got a party. I didn't know Britney was going to the party. What the fuck are you talking about? And me and my dog, them, I said them I go.
Alright, you see like how you move kinda shaky, you know. You see back then, the man used to move cool. Them time you would have never I said them the man they would have put on wig. Them me don't know if you did know him them time there. Them time them man they all run with Brit. I saw him used to go on like say him did hot boy.
And so what if me I run away? That for sure you say I wasn't a user like you. Because me that run away, I wasn't a user like you. But glad how you say it out your mouth. When you are running a R, me I run away. That for sure you say I wasn't a user like you. Okay? Continue.
You know mama get big. Him want to cry fame.
Bro, what the fuck?
Just make a reason, no?
Brother, Britney get big and me running from Britney.
Every other we know that.
Bumbleclad.
We know.
Seonlee, Britney been big since Britney sent me the first request. What the fuck are you talking about, nigga?
Moms get big. Them time they start run up in our moms. Not much now to go on for you. At them time that we see you start over there wind up. You know you're over there, you wind up. And the little big rusty man them are fling out them universe pan here, whatever. Cause you know the little old batty man them they love them sitting there when young boy are wind up and thing, you know. Your name start grow from them time there. You know? But eventually, you know TikTok's there, you know. 1 minute something go on for you. Next minute people them they over somewhere else, you know. Nothing now go on for you now. You start run up in a Brit hard. Remember in Italian, nowadays you know go party, you know. But when you hear say Brit a go party, I quickest way you reach, Brit junk in a car, and you that we see on video, a show about stuff tongue in the woman mouth, just because you want it capture on video. You know, you try look a little viral chain, you know, still never work for you. Because up till this day, enough people still don't know say you should that the tongue there in a Brit short. You know, because nobody no business about that. You know?
Well, calm down.
No, me can't talk, brother. Yeah. That's why I say you're over there go on with yourself. You see say nothing now go on. You gain one big gift. You remember the old woman, the one where fly you out? Yeah, the 75-year-old woman. I don't want to lie now, but it look like say she about that. You open at the woman inbox, I promise the woman, oh, you're going to front and you're going to fuck her. Because if your woman fly you out so quick and them sitting there, you know, and I fling all of them the universe, they and so on, you know, must. Them something they are promise the woman. By the time we queen to blood clean Italian Ghana small island, which you never really post. Because you never want nobody know, say, you're gone over there to moms, you know. Remember, you know, I want a friend them make me know all of these stories, you know. All the little dirty secrets them. I little own a friend make me know about it, you know. I don't know for the things me hear about you too. You know about, you know, we're not gonna bring them all. You go over to mom's, you know multi front or me no know what go on. But mom send you back to your yard. She not gonna shoot for you ever again. From there, so you flop 100%. Couple months after, yeah, child look a come back. That still no work. You feel say you could have come back with the wig and the dress so you put on. That flop you more. From you do that, there is no coming back. You're done for this. So. You're done on your face, you know. Remember, you're done on your face at this point, you know. Nothing now go on for you. Donna, look one little young boy if you use. You know, true. I remember you're hungry for the spotlight, you know. I not even know how you end up this, you know, but boy. So you be mom's the crescendo boy or whatever. Because that's why you're in a car asleep now, right? Because you get thrown out. That's what woman do to send up boy, you know. Alright, you see when I look at you Italian, you remind me of them young boy where they are Jamaica. Them no want work. So them look for the mampy them now pan tag or any one of them little dating site they can fly them out. So them want visa. When them reach a foreign now, them want for name pussy and all type of things because them want green card. You know? So them go through all of that because them no want work. You know? And when me look at you kinda remind me of them type of niggas there. You know? But me nah bring you down still, you know. But I feel I bring you down, you know. You know, but I would never bring you down. You know, but me just a simple say. You need to find yourself. You know? Give me back the first time Italian, the Jeep. When me did feel like say. When I time did I say, yo, you know, see that boy I come like him, I wanna the first time. Bang at them. Like yeah, bang it. I saw you used to looking at my boy. I saw you, but you know, it was all pretend. You did a pretend for media. And then when you see that now work, you start sketching out yourself. Oh.
So me can get a talk now? Miss, me can talk now?
Yeah, go ahead.
First and foremost, to blood clot, when I come on this app, I join this app and act like I cannot read. That's how I gain my 1,000 followers to go live. When me dep on my life, I just came on TikTok. Me I feel out TikTok. Me normal, me cool, I just dep on TikTok. You see, pre, till me feel it out. Britany give me my first highlight. Britany been famous from Britany verse me the first time. Me there 6,000 to 7,000 followers. From Britany verse me the first time I reach 10K. Britany been famous. Don't talk about when Britany get hot. State the facts right. You see, pre. When now y'all say, me is a man me been a run up and down. And always a run up and down. And one time I go put on my neighbor wig. And my sister, the woman, them like it and them thing there. So I start run up and down and I enjoy myself. When you go say Batman, I said, when you go say Batman, I said my universe, that means say, yeah, this Jax. Because Jax are the only person send me so much universe. Just because the man not give you, me never ask the man to give me. I was ranking the day and I was at number 20 and me a dance and I run up and down with woman and the man come start give me. What was I supposed to do? Tell the man to stop give me. The man constantly every day me a come for my life and I vibe the man a give me. The man a give me. The man a gift me. What am I supposed to do about that? One time alone, the man text me. And I went me to go look for my grandmother. The same week me a rank. That's all the man get for text me. Me go look for my grandmother and the man text me and say, oh, you know the live and you a rank charge here, what you do? I'm going to text him and say, yo, I'm going to lead my grandmother some doctor thing. Perry give you. Perry, I'm a friend. I don't say nothing. I don't have nothing against Perry. Yeah, try style Jacks. I say Jacks a fish. Yeah, tell the man a batty man, I be a batty man with a send me universe and them thing there. Shut the fuck up!
No, I don't know
Shut
who
the fuck up!
Okay.
Member say, yeah, say me put on wig and a dance up and down. Member say you stray. Member say you stray for woman. The way you did one famous off of Britney, you stray for her. Yeah, come at. Did you notice that? When everyone was at VIP, asked the whole TikTok what Italian did there. I could have been go to VIP. I stay in a bleachers with my dogs them. Me and my dog them in a bleachers. My dog them we not do TikTok. They are bleachers. When Triple they are VIP and see me, she send call me. That's how I end up at VIP. And when me go up at the VIP, I was back and forth. I say, yo, I'm going to link back my dog them.
No,
so
but
I was at VIP bleachers. Shut the fuck up.
But yeah, remember, say them never really recognize you as nobody them time. That's why you weren't at VIP.
At them time, me, Raja, 6K, Triple, Rosalie, we are play a match regular. What the fuck are you talking about? I mean, never want to go up there. I didn't want to go there. You think my friend of a VIP? I didn't want to go there. Even when Triple called me and me go up there, I still came back to my friends them. I am not a sellout like some Uno. You know, remember say you're a nerd them time there, which is still a nerd. You're some idiot them time there. You just start a broke out little. I mean, you want still fucking nerd.
Hey, fix up your talk then. What do you mean broke out?
You're nerd same way. Cause F boy, in my days when me I deal with woman, and a woman say for link her, me I tell the woman say my dad the spot already when me not even dead. When me not even left out. You know, for sure say you're not used to woman. You're not used to woman and you want to get famous so badly off of Britney because you say what? Britney no. So if she come and see me now right so, me and I take 2 pictures and do 2 videos and put it on TikTok and we're gonna get hotter. God is so good. God make the girl change her mind for your blood clot. You waste how much gas. You full up your integral gas. Plus you pay a toll. Toll was $1,900. You pay a toll. You full up a gas. You go straight to Mobile. For see one woman and she never show up. In my days when woman meet me and meet woman, them have to down the spot. And video call me and show me say them down the spot and I tell them say me there in a corner. Them time them even left out yet. Don't up me your fucking mouth. You get stood up.
Guys, one donut.
I did shame, bro. I recently started just like sensible, bro. Bro, where you used to get this dressing with this thing over your head and them thing them? You create one bag of excitement over Britney upon the app. And she still never go to you. She go to someone else. I never run in a Britney. Remember, Britney versed me first. Remember, she sent me a request first. Remember, I never run in a R. She sent me a request and said me look nice and them thing there. I will start vibe. You're vexed. You are so vexed that you never get to use her, bro. You never get to use her the way how you want to use her. You never genuinely like the girl, bro. Cause here you say, remember say you kiss out Britney. Remember say you suck out Britney tongue. Like is a woman, rather kiss a woman more than a man, you know. So it come like say you rather kiss a man. When Britney hug me up, the girl smells so good. Nothing wrong with her. But at least me never run in a her. Me never a beg her. The way the thing said to blood clot. Me never know say you could have text pan PayPal. I never know you could have sent message from PayPal. Seonlee make me know say you can send $1 and write a message with using PayPal. The way Britany Black Seonlee are for everything. Yeah, the way Britany Black the man are for everything. The man takes her from PayPal and send $1 and send a paragraph from PayPal till she block him off of PayPal. It is so bad that the man get black off of PayPal. Which woman would have black a man off of one money app? One something where only can transfer money. To the way the thing bad, bro. And you come and talk about me, dog. I never run up or beg or ask Britany for nothing. I talk to her genuinely. Me not running her. I am not like you. It just come to me naturally. A real thing, I swear to God, me never know say you could have text from PayPal. I see and he make me know that last year before last. He make me know that when it got viral, say Seonlee text her from PayPal and send $1, he send $1 with a text from PayPal until he may not get black. I lie me I tell. Anyways, you get one gifter, she fly you out, bring you on yacht, make you ride donkey.
Ah, you're gone. Alright, good night. Big up yourself, man.
She record you and ride the donkey and pan the yacht, and then you record her pan the yacht. So, and then it'll make it look like you're in two different places, which you know they're the same place.
Miss Spice, big up yourself. Sherry,
The
set up.
gifter say you eat her. You see free. Next thing now, you gotta talk about the lady, bro. Number one, the lady take me as her son. Number two, ask her if me ever bother her up, ever text her and beg her for gift or them something there. I get it naturally. Ask her if me ever talk things when I go so. Go ask her if I ever do that. The woman that make you ride the donkey, she say you near my front. Me no say you near front. What do you got royalty and one different woman? And the way you set up, your child look like say at the ring light you put your phone pan and at the woman and snap you. You see when you da royalty and what do you not even know say me did there. When you da royalty, we did there. But we see you, but we just never want to hear you.
So, Italian, me and you know say royalty not cheap. So, you just the royalty and know if you sleep in a car. That makes sense?
You just da royalty a while ago? When you did da royalty?
That's a wedding.
Exactly. So what you try to say? When is ready? Today name ready?
Let me tell you know what is happening here, guys.
Chat, 10 euros, chat.
You see by tomorrow.
Chat, 10 euros, chat, 1 rosa.
Him and Shana that you see and
Chat, we can't get a rosa.
And Ray and I say.
Stabs, unknown, thank you.
And I say, yeah man, I fuck out, no? This, all I only did want see we mash up though. I bet. That's a prank. Tomorrow I told them and I'm lobster, probably I want a nice hotel, but yeah man, all I only did want see we mash up though. I bet.
You see, just because you do that doesn't mean you and everybody is the same. You see, Glenda, thank you. You see, just because you do that and that in your intention and that's why you did want Britany so badly because you want clout and gift, that doesn't mean you and everybody is the same, bro. One time alone me ever come on live and beg donation for one lady and I give the lady every dime. I don't come and beg donation and take the people the money. Me and you is not the same. I don't come on here and scam the people them. I don't come on here and when I get money I scandal it. If you don't want to say helping people scandal it, well, you say that. Because I help a lot of people. That are the only thing you can say me waste my money and do, help out people and not help myself. I help people, make sure say everybody good. I saw me get my blessing. So, me not hard. If me have $1 million, me issue it out. People need help out there. Right now, people out there live worse than me right now. When I have it, me give them. My blessing might take long for come back next time, but at least it comes same way. I'm not like when we're all for yourself. So, where you want, when I really busy is where you want to see and leave.
So I'm the big gift away you did that scam. The little old lady there. The one where did fly you out and you go over and come back down, so you come down with 10,000 Canadian dollar.
Do not talk about scam, bro.
It wasn't a scam, the true love.
I never scam nobody. What you call a scam?
Oh, it was true love.
Did I ever call and said I want gift? Ask her behind my back or front of my back. Today you tell me say your woman rich. So since the girl them over there say I give you, if I know none of them are your woman, remember you tell me say your woman rich. Since as you want to feel like you can run no style for me or tell no lie for me, go and ask that lady if I ever call her and said, I want gift now. I never did that.
But even Destiny say you tell her, say you tell him say you want gift.
Remember say and me and you did a text Destiny the day for gift.
Something wrong with that, brother, yeah. Yeah, there's something wrong with that youth, yeah. You're right, you know. You know you're a comedian, for true.
So if Destiny say me text her for gift, where is that message?
All I would see the screen recording them. And not me say it, you know, where we see on screen recording.
Oh, you see it and me no see it.
You see it, man, because remember you come out the time and say, remember you even did link Destiny X-Man, you know, Jaden. Remember me did see up on live with him and he told him over there complain about Destiny. Come on now, man. Stop going like you're idiot now. Remember me did see
so, because I never really want to tell the people them say the icky where you get a man gear, the icky for you. Jesus, Italian, why you not stop your nice? Why you not stop your fucking nice, Italian? Why you chat the man business? Italian.
No, but the facts we are speak Italian. We are speak what we see are go on. We not talk about your liquor. Made up story them in your mind.
Remember, say a man get the icky way that circle around by your neck when you lie down in a bed. I'm not make mistake as a woman. Remember, say a man get that icky there. How can somebody say me text them and ask them for gift and we never seen that yet? How come the person put up screamer card with voice note and say me a voice note her, and when everybody believe her and when she let out the voice note, the people them start cuss her and say that is not Italian.
No, but Italian, forgive me if me did believe, you know, but remember said them time there, as you stated, you used to run around in your wig and you frap them. I remember them love them something there, you know. So if this a person you come out, come say, you're in him inbox, a beg gift, we are going to believe.
So that means we believe. But the person said that about you too, so we believe. So anything the person said about people, we believe.